Hello friends, this is Preeti and I welcome you all to my channel. Friends, today's video is on metabolism. What is metabolism? Why a good metabolism is important and what role it has to play in weight loss. Metabolism क्या है, इसके फ़ायदे क्या है और अच्छी metabolism क्यों ज़रूरी है weight loss में. चलिए जानते हैं. What is metabolism? Metabolism is a complex biochemical process by which our body converts food into energy. In simple terms, metabolism को ये कह सकते हैं कि एक प्रोसेस है जो बॉडी में चलती है और इसका बेसिक काम है कि फूड को एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करे और ये 24/7 चलती रहती है इवन व्हेन रेस्टिंग और स्लीपिंग. Now let's take a look at what is the purpose of metabolism. Conversion of food to energy to run cellular process. Conversion of food to building blocks for proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, and the elimination of metabolic waste in the form of sweat, urine, feces, etc. How much does a slow metabolism affect weight gain? Yes, अगर आपका metabolism slow है, आप fewer calories burn करोगे, which means the more will get stored as fat in the body. That's why people find difficulty losing weight by just cutting calories. अगर आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा नहीं है तो आप वेट लॉस नहीं कर सकते हो by just cutting calories. A fast metabolism burns calories at a quicker rate and this explains कि people जो ज़्यादा खाते हैं and still they do not gain extra pounds is because of their fast metabolism. What affects metabolism? Age, genes, activity level, body composition, diet quality, total daily calorie intake. Age. As you age, your metabolism gets slowed down. Genes also have an effect on metabolism. एक्टिविटी लेवल, अगर आपका एक्टिविटी या फिजिकली एक्टिव बहुत कम रहते हो तो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो होगा. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो देन योर मेटाबॉलिज्म वुड बी गुड. बॉडी कंपोजिशन, tall people has higher metabolic rate as compared to the short people. Diet quality, if you're not taking good quality diet, that also affects metabolism. Plus, if you're taking inadequate calories or a lot, you're taking more calories, that also affects metabolism. Why is metabolism important to weight loss? If your metabolism is high, अगर आपका metabolism अच्छा है, fast है, आप calories ज़्यादा burn करोगे and this explains in weight loss. A high metabolism means you will need to take in more calories to maintain your weight. अगर आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा है, आपको ज़्यादा कैलोरीज लेना होगा ताकि आपका वेट मेंटेन रहे. And that's one reason why some people can eat more than others without gaining weight. And आपने देखा होगा कुछ लोग ज़्यादा खाने के बाद भी मोटे नहीं होते हैं, मोटे नहीं रहते हैं because उनका मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा होता है. The more calories you burn as work or creating heat, the easier it is to lose weight and because there will be fewer leftover calories to store for later. Now let's take a look at all of the foods that can help you burn fat and boost metabolism. Here as you can see the 4 groups of food: vegetables, fruits, carbs and grains, lean proteins. Vegetables: broccoli, cabbage, carrot, garlic, onions are very good and superfoods that can help in boosting your metabolism. Include vitamin C rich food also in your diet. That is also very much helpful. Fruits. In fruits you can go for oranges, pineapple, bananas, grapefruit, peaches, strawberries. Include whole grains, fiber-rich grains like that of whole wheat bread, pasta, oatmeal, potatoes, beans, brown rice, and lean proteins. And protein-rich diet is very much crucial in boosting metabolism. Go for lean proteins like that of chicken breast, tuna, eggs, steak, salmon. Now let's take a look at all of the metabolism boosting workouts. Here the thing is that you have to get involved in strength training exercises, gaining muscle mass and lean muscle. That really helps in boosting metabolism. Friends, in order to have a good metabolism, we need to improve our metabolic rate, and that we can do so by including protein rich food in our diet, as protein needs more energy to get digested and absorbed by our body, and this way we can burn more calories. प्रोटीन रिच फूड खाने से हम ज़्यादा कैलोरीज बर्न कर सकते हैं, उसलिए ये बताया जाता है कि आप ज़्यादा इंटेक करें प्रोटीन रिच डाइट इन योर फूड. And secondly, you need to get involved in weight training and strength training exercises, as these also will help you burn more calories. And thirdly, proper sleep is must. At least 6 to 7 hours sleep is needed to have a good metabolism and to boost your metabolism. Fourth is sufficient खाना खाना चाहिए, ना कम ना ज़्यादा. कम खाएंगे भी तो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो डाउन होगा, और ज़्यादा भी खाएंगे तो both will affect you. So it's important to have a sufficient amount of food in your diet, plus a good well balanced diet. Obviously it is must, so you need to focus on all these areas, and I'm sure these things will help you in the long run. ये आपको बहुत help करेगा अगर आप इस चीज़ को फॉलो करेंगे तो. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव. डू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एंड प्लीज़ like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.